So this is what's going on. Hurricane Irma is hitting pretty fucking hard. I was supposed to upload a video while it was rendering and stuff. The power went out of my apartment. What can you do? I'm still vaping. And I'm just staying at home, trying to see what I can do to get some power back on my laptop. We just made food. Good thing I have a gas-powered stove. But this thing has been fucking up my whole uploading for the past week. I was supposed to put up a video on Wednesday, and I was gonna try to do it today, and then my power went out, my laptop died right when it finished rendering, so I couldn't upload the video. But it'll be up soon. I'll probably have 3 videos up by, I would say, next week, Wednesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm gonna try to upload some videos, see if I can get some stuff done. But yeah, this is basically why I haven't been able to upload. I'm just gonna upload this right now. This is straight from my phone, straight from YouTube, straight to YouTube. But yeah, everybody out there keeping safe on the hurricane. Just stay safe out there. Please don't go outside like I am. The reason why I'm outside is because the wind's not really hitting me right now. It's kind of going down west. No, actually, yeah, it's going west. I'm pointing east, so everything's fine for me. But look how crazy this shit is. Let's see if I can flip this shit. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, my hair's all fucked up and shit. So we're just here trying to survive and stuff. Power's out and shit. So see you guys later.